thunderstorm warning for southern Perry County in south-central Illinois, western Williamson County, Illinois, Jackson County, Illinois, southwestern Franklin County in south-central Illinois, southeastern Perry County, Missouri, until 4:45 a.m. At 4:12 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ava to near Altenburg, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carbondale, Marion, Heron, West Frankfort, Murfreesboro, Carterville, Christopher, Ziegler, DeSoto, Craneville, Cambria, Royalton, Energy, Elkville, Hearst, Ava, Graham Tower, Altenburg, Cedar Lake area, and McKenna. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Jackson, Perry and Williamson, and Perry, Missouri. Now for the official